close it up. Put it on safety. Make sure it's on safety. It's on safety? Good job. All right, get ready to fire. And then when you're ready to fire, then you can take it off safety, okay?
Cat. What do I say?
Huh?
What do I say?
Pull.
Pull.
Oh, did you get that? You got it. Nice shot. All right, ready? Good shot. Ready?
Stack this one right on top of this one.
That's a lot
In fact,
of
the
quail.
dog's gonna come back here and
Pheasant.
fuck it all up.
Pheasant.
It's like he doesn't know what happens, huh? It's fucking lazy, man. Lazy boy. Want us to come get you in 5 minutes? Put it, maybe you put it inside when you open the door. No, it's not.
They're slow. They're good eating, but they're just slow. Cuatro.
4?
4.
You can tell me where you want them. I put
It's up to you. You put them wherever you want.
Alright.
There is. There's another one in there.
As soon as you put it, you walk like far away, like 5 feet, and run so they don't hear it.
That's crazy.
I've seen a lot of places, I've been around the world. I've seen some pretty faces, been with some beautiful girls. After all I've witnessed, one thing still amazes me. Just like a miracle, you have to see to believe. God bless Texas.
did it! Yeah, but I don't know if I can.
Get your hand down there and do what I told you. Grab it by the neck. Hold it up. Hold it up. It's not going to bite you. Hold it up. Shake it. Hold it by the neck. By the neck.
Maggie, no.
Maggie, come here. Maggie.
Maggie, no.
All right, shake it. Shake it like I showed you. Maggie, come here. Maggie. Come on, shake it hard. Hard, hard, hard. Maggie, no. Maggie.
The one that I shot went straight up. So I was like, oh, that's a clean shot.
Yeah. Well, it also had its head up so you could give it a headshot.
Went up.
Yeah, she flushed it.
Atta girl, Maggie.
Good girl. Good girl. All right, find the birds. Let's find the birds. Come on. All right, he let them off way over there, so that guy traveled that far.
Alright, so I'm gonna check for the other one. And that one woke up quick, so. Clean headshot.
Nice shooting, dude. Nice shooting. Okay, she's on to something now. Here we go. Get ready. She's on to something now. Come on over here with me. Come on over with me. Uh-oh, she's following it. She's chasing it. She's got it. She's onto it. Okay, stay in front of me. You're going to get a shot here pretty quick. Get ready. There, she's got it. She's got it. She's on it. There it goes. We missed it. Maggie, come!
First he let the sunshine, then he made the waters deep. Then he gave us moonlight for all the world to see. Well, everybody knows that the Lord works in mysterious ways. He took a rest, then on the very next day, God bless Texas with his own hand, brought down angels from the promised land, gave them a place where they could dance. If you want to see heaven, brother, here's your chance. Well, I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. God bless Texas with his own hand, brought down angels from the promised land. He gave them a place where they could dance. If you want to see heaven, brother, here's your chance. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas. I've been sent to spread the message. God bless Texas.
When you're ready.
What do I say?
It's up to you. Let's see how creative you are. Talk about your first hunting experience.
It was alright. I shot one bird.
How'd you feel when you shot that bird?
Excited.
Did you feel excited? Did you feel exhilarated? Did you feel, food on the table? Okay. What else did you feel?
I felt good because I shot a bird for the first time.
So
And
what
it
do
was
you,
the first bird, in fact.
huh?
It was the first bird, too.
First bird, first hunt?
Yep.
Proud grandpa, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, for sure. I'd like to say that you are an excellent listener. You followed instructions to the T. I was very impressed with you. I would have you as a student anytime. Very smart, very quick to learn. I was very, very impressed. What else? How about the smells? You get any smells out here?
No, not really.
No smell. Does it
A lot
smell?
of flies, though.
A lot of flies. Does it smell like Pacific Beach out here?
No.
No? Then there are different smells out here. We smell alfalfa, we smell Sudan, we smell corn fields. All the fields, the different fields we smell. And Maggie, look at Maggie. Maggie is going crazy out there. Look at her.